In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Monday.com. We'll start inside your Monday.com account on the home view. Open the board where you want to track time. Here, it's a simple to-do list board. On that board, look for the board menu, often shown as a grid or 9 dots near the top. Open it and choose Marketplace. This is where we'll install the integration that connects Monday.com with Clockify. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Clockify. From the results, select the listing called Clockify for Clockify. This is the official connector that bridges your Monday boards and Clockify. On the listing page, click Use App. When prompted, choose to start with your own workspace so the app installs where you actually manage your work. You'll see a confirmation step. Say yes to proceed and grant the necessary permissions. Next, pick the board you want to use for the integration. Select your to-do list board and click Add App. If you're offered a ready-made template, choose Use Template to quickly add the recommended structure and automation building blocks to your board. This gives you a clean starting point you can adjust later. Now switch over to Clockify so we can create a secure API key that authorizes the connection. In Clockify, open your account menu, go to Preferences, and then the Advanced section. Find Manage API Keys and open it. Click Generate New to create a fresh key. Give the key a clear name so you'll recognize what it's for later, such as something that references Monday. Click Generate, then copy. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly and store it securely while you finish the setup. With the key copied, head to the Luxy authorization page for Clockify. You'll see a field to paste your API key. Paste it in carefully, submit, and wait for the confirmation. Once that's successful, choose the option to return to Monday.com so we can finalize everything on the board side. Back in Monday.com, go to your workspace and open the board you're using. If you created or used a sample board during setup, open that. Locate the automation block or the area where the template placed its example recipe. You'll see a notify action. Open it. Leave the message area as is if it's intentionally blank, then choose who should be notified. Select the someone field and assign it to yourself so you'll receive the test notifications while confirming the setup. Click Create Automation to save it. After saving, you'll notice toggles that control whether this automation is active. Toggle it on to enable, and if the template provided a second related toggle, enable that as well so the integration can run. If you're finishing a quick test or cleaning up extra sample rules, you can open the menu for the automation, usually by clicking 3 dots next to it, choose Delete, and then confirm with Delete permanently. This removes the placeholder or duplicate automation so you keep only what you need. The key idea is that you've installed the app, connected your Clockify account securely, added the integration to your chosen board, and confirmed that the automation logic is in place. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the Marketplace option doesn't appear on a board, check that you have the right permissions in your Monday.com account, or try accessing the Marketplace from the main navigation. If the Clockify authorization doesn't accept your API key, generate a new one and make sure you copied the entire string without spaces. And if notifications don't arrive during your test, verify that the automation is toggled on and that you're assigned as the recipient. That's it. Your Monday.com board is now connected to Clockify through the Luxy Tech app with your workflows ready to track time and keep your team in sync.